Everyone, it's Bonnie. I am back with a beauty box. I don't do a lot of beauty boxes these days, only because I was getting so overloaded with like little tiny samples and I was gifting them off. So I kind of just stopped most of them. I still do get Glossybox and I get BoxyCharm and I get FabFitFun because I feel like they give me a lot of things that like I wouldn't normally buy. The box on Glossybox is gorgeous. Look at that. This is the November box. The weird thing is, holy cow, I've never had this happen with Glossybox before, is I didn't get the piece of paper inside that tells me what we got. Like, they always get like a fold out. We got the green ribbon this time. And I always love the paper they give me. I always like use that in my gifty ideas. So I'm kind of going blind here on this box, but that's okay. I can just tell you what's in here. But for the most part, I really do like Glossybox. They're like $21 a month. I think I pay every 3 months. It's like 58 or something, so it's less than 20 a box. Ipsy Ultimate was terrible. Oh my gosh, that was like 50 bucks. That it's just bad. So I did skip Ipsy for a while. I don't know if I'm going to try them in the spring or not. But here's the November. This is the U.S. Glossybox. The first thing that I got is from Coco. Ardell is called Wispy's Fiber Building Mascara. I'm kind of curious about this. One thing that I really love about beauty boxes, you guys, is like the mascara because I never ever go out and buy a full size mascara because I'm kind of a germaphobe, so I like throw out my mascara like every 30 days. Um, this looks really like a, a lot of product on there. It's funny. Anytime you get mascara, you always smell it, and then it smells the same as every other mascara, but it's like human nature. Like, kind of funny. So anyway, I'm excited about this product, so that's good. I'll have to look up the cost on all these. I also got a Real Chemistry Luminous 3-Minute Peel. I like this product. It's nice when you get the bigger samples. That was one thing with the Ipsy like $10 box I was getting a while ago in Sephora. The samples are like this big, and then you end up losing them, and then you don't use them. It was funny, Ipsy. I did an add-on, you guys, on my Ultimate box, which they never sent me, and then I emailed customer service. But check this out. This is like what I would consider like a tiny sample, and this was like $3 as an add-on. So I was like, not too impressed. So that's why I got rid of Ipsy. I also got in this glossy box. I got the I can't read it's kind of I must have dinged it. The shade on this, it's it's Maxi Matte. That's the that's actually the brand. It just says crayon lipstick. Oh, Intimacy is the shade. I love these. I love a good lip liner. Check that out. These are really nice. These Lord and Berries. I love them. So again, like that kind of stuff I love getting in a beauty box. This is actually a good one this time. We also got the Mystic Black Novex. This is a hair mask, which it's a deep hair mask. I like all kinds of hair masks. These are kind of, ooh, this looks nice. It smells good too. Check that out. I love a hair mask. These are awesome. So I've never heard of this brand. I'll have to look this up, but this is pretty cool. And then the third thing I got, or the fifth thing I got, not the third thing. What the heck am I talking about? Let me see if I can open this. This is sealed, which is good. Always like a safety seal on stuff. This is the Style London Velvet Touch. This is really pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. For a holiday palette, I love this. Holy cow. These are so soft, too. I like Style London. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at the pigmentation on this. Holy cow. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. I love any of these metallics. I love metallic eyeshadow. Look at that. This is really pretty. And then there's another one. Oh my gosh, look at that. These are so pigmented, you guys. I am loving these. Let me try one that's not a oh, these are nice. It's funny because these are like the powder to cream, I believe, where it kind of feels like a cream, but like it's a powder. These are really nice, though. It just says hypoallergenic eyes, mineral-based, vegan, vitamin E, talc-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free. High pigment, ultra soft, multi-finish eyeshadow palette. Okay, well this is definitely worth it. That was awesome. Check those out again. That was great. So I will definitely use this. Super excited about this. So, and I love this Slytherin green paper. Oh, you guys, I also got the Harry Potter loot crates coming. I want to review a couple of the loot crates, you guys, for Christmas. So I'm kind of excited about those. But as a gifty thing, you guys, these aren't bad to get for gifts. So, for example, like if you maybe order one box, maybe for like November or December, and if you have a teenager or college student or something, these are fun to give them because if they get 5 products, it didn't cost a whole heck of a lot of money. Like $21, and they're going to get like you don't know what you're going to get every month, but some nice products. So I'm liking Glossybox this month, even though I didn't get my paper. So anyway, awesome. Hopefully BoxyCharm comes soon. I want to see what's in BoxyCharm. So that was pretty cool. So thank you for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.